Hey guys, welcome back to the Mashvisor Real Estate Investing channel. If you're thinking of investing in real estate in 2021, then there is one market that must have crossed your mind as a potential location. This is the Florida real estate market. No matter the economic situation, no matter the financial conditions, Florida has always been one of the hottest and busiest real estate markets. Whether you're a homeowner or a real estate investor, Florida has a lot to offer. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 5 most important trends in the Florida housing market in 2021 and what they mean for investors like you. First and foremost, real estate investors want to know if Florida is a buyer's or a seller's market in 2021. The short answer is definitely a seller's market. In this sense, Florida is very similar to the rest of the U.S. housing market, being characterized by a low supply of homes for sale and a strong demand from homebuyers and investors. For those who are just getting started in real estate investing, this means that you have to enter the Florida market prepared. You need to get pre-approved for a mortgage and you need to work with one of the top Florida real estate agents. This is going to increase your chances of getting a good deal and closing at favorable terms. A second trend that sets the scene in the Florida real estate market in 2021 is the increasing property prices. This is the result of a number of different factors coming together. First, you have the low real estate inventory. Second, you have the rising demand from investors who are looking for profitable rental properties. Third, you have the growing population, which increases demand from homebuyers as well. All in all, you can expect Florida real estate prices to continue going up for the rest of the year. This means that if you plan to buy an investment property there, now is the best time to get started, before prices have gone up even more. According to data from Mashvisor, the median value of real estate listings for sale in the Sunshine State is currently above $527,000. This is an increase of over 8% since October 2020. The third most important trend governing the Florida real estate market this year is the historically low mortgage rates. With a median property price of above $500,000, most investors need to take a mortgage loan in order to be able to afford buying an investment property in the local housing market. The mortgage interest rates below 3% are very favorable for financing the purchase of an investment property. So many investors are expected to take advantage of this trend. Trend number 4 is the high demand for long-term rental properties. As I've just mentioned, the Florida population is expected to continue growing at a healthy rate in the foreseeable future. Importantly, a significant proportion of the population prefers to rent rather than own a home due to the high price-to-rent ratio of 23. For investors, this translates into a strong demand for traditional rentals. This is a very profitable real estate investing strategy in Florida. We've estimated the average cash-on-cash return for traditional rentals at 2.4% across state. The 5th most important real estate trend in Florida in 2021 is the increasing demand for Airbnb rental properties. After the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic last year, the Florida Airbnb market was one of the most negatively affected across the U.S. The Airbnb occupancy rates started going down right away, bringing down rental income and return on investment too. However, with the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccines and the expectations that life is going to start returning back to normal, Airbnb Florida is regaining its position as one of the absolutely best real estate investing strategies in the US. Recently, our team at Mashvisor analyzed the best locations for investing in an Airbnb property in the Florida real estate market, and the following places came out on top: Dayland, Plantation, Oakland Park, Tallahassee, and Jacksonville. These markets bring the highest cash-on-cash return for Airbnb hosts at the moment. So, what do you think? Does Florida sound like a good market for you in 2021? Or do you have another market in mind for buying an investment property this year? Let us know down in the comment section down below. Meanwhile, if you're wondering where to start your search for profitable investment properties in the US housing market or in the Florida market in particular, check us out at mashvisor.com. We provide you with all the tools that you need to find the most lucrative real estate investing deals in any US market. I'll be back with another real estate video next week. Meanwhile, happy investing.